When we talk about transferring money right from one place to another within seconds only, UPI is the one which comes into forefront. And we all know that UPI is what? It is your unified payment interface. And this is one of the revolutionary steps which has been taken by the RBI, which has completely revolutionized our digital payment system. So today we are going to go with the UPI system, that what is it basically, and we are going to talk about the various concepts that are related to it, and that has high chances that that can be asked in your examination also. So we have today UPI 123 Pay, we have UPI Lite as well as UPI Lite X. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss today. But before jumping into the topic, many of the aspirants ask that ma'am जो हमारा PDF है हम कैसे डाउनलोड करें, कहाँ से हम इसको अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. So you can see this thing that firstly you have to download the description. In the description section, in the description the link is given to you. You can just download the app from there only. Firstly you have to download the app, then you have to register yourself here. उसके बाद एक पॉपअप आएगा कोर्सेज का, ठीक है. कोर्सेज में जाके अगेन यू विल सी ए पॉपअप ऑफ यूट्यूब क्लासेस पीडीएफ्स. From there you can download the PDFs that will be provided to you there only. ठीक है. So now talking about the UPI, so I've already told you that UPI is what? Unified Payment Interface. अब एक ऐसा इंटरफेस है जिसने हेल्प करा है किसमें, हमारा जो पेमेंट सिस्टम है, when it was revolutionized, or you can say कि हमें इसका एडवेंट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंक्रीज देखने को कब मिला था, आफ्टर कोविड-19, because we started focusing on the cashless payments rather than touching the cash. We wanted this thing, we wanted a system जहाँ पे क्या हो, जो पेमेंट्स है वो बिना टच करे ही क्या हो जाए, एक बिना जो पेपर है उसको टच करे ही क्या हो जाए, जो पेमेंट्स है वो इजीली हो जाए. उसके बाद ही जो यूपीआई का सिस्टम है उसके ज़्यादा, और उसके बाद जो है हमें और से ज़्यादा एनहांसमेंट जो है सिस्टम में देखने को मिली थी. So UPI is just what? When you want to transfer your money, right, you're sitting at one place and you want to transfer your money to the one who's sitting at another place as in कि हो सकता है कि वो साउथ में बैठा हो, the distance doesn't matter. You just want to transfer the money. So the money will be transferred in a very few seconds only. And now talking about the corporation who handles it, so you can see that NPCI is the one who has created this particular system, which is your National Payment Corporation of India. So now we are done with the UPI. We know that what is UPI. It is a kind of revolutionary step to enhance your digital system also, and it has also proven to be best to enhance your what? Financial inclusion also. Now government wants to make our economy cashless economy. ठीक है. Now the government also wants कि जो digital जो payments है that should be in the digital format only. And for that, under your UPI, government has taken various, specifically talking about your RBI has taken various of the initiatives here. Now that, one of the initiatives that has been taken by the RBI here is your UPI 123 Pay. Now this particular initiative is for those people who do not have smartphones. So if we have people who have featured phones only, so the RBI says that don't worry, we have a solution for you also. Since we are highly focused on making our economy cashless economy, we have a solution for you people also. So जिनके पास smartphones नहीं है, जो smartphones afford नहीं कर सकते, but they have featured phones only, so here is the solution that RBI has provided to them. Now talking about your UPI 123 Pay, so you can see here that it says that call karo, pay karo. So it does not contain scanning, it does not contain internet even. आपको क्या करना है, we have various you can say features that are initiated here. So one is your IVR calls is also part of it, which is your interactive voice response. ठीक है, interactive voice response, this is one of the methods. Interactive voice response is one of the methods. Second method you have here is app functionality. Third method you have here is missed calls as well as sound based technology also to initiate as well as to complete the transactions. अब हम जो normal UPI जो हम use करते हैं, चाहे कोई भी आप UPI app intermediate जो आप use कर रहे हो, उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, we scan, है ना, या तो फिर हम फोन नंबर डाल के हम क्या करते हैं, ट्रांजैक्शंस करते हैं. बट यहाँ पे आपको ये सब चीजें करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो आई हैव क्लियरली रिटन हियर दैट देयर इज एन एक्सेप्शन ऑफ स्कैन एंड पे. ठीक है, देयर इज एन एक्सेप्शन ऑफ स्कैन एंड पे. अंडर UPI 123 पे यू नीड नॉट टू स्कैन and you need not to pay, you need not to pay via that method only. Rather than we have few methods that are associated here. First, I've already told you that you have interactive voice response. Next you have is app functionality. Missed calls के through आप कर सकते हो, या फिर you have sound based technology also, in which proper prompt will be given to you. So if you are initiating with the IVR, so they will tell you the next two steps which you have to follow, and then only you will be able to make payment. This is how the things will go in a manner, and that is completely offline. You need not to have what? You need not to have online services here. Now, what are the key features that are required here? So one, no internet is required, and when you do not have, a smartphone, so that means you are, you will not have, internet services also. So आपको internet services तो वैसे भी जरूरत नहीं है. If you want to, if you have engaged in this particular system, you can just make payments through these many methods only. Okay, now this contains multiple payment methods. So one, I've already told you, one is your interactive voice response, your app functionality, as well as your missed calls also. So it contains multiple payment systems, and it doesn't contain what? It doesn't contain scan and pay. Now we have financial benefits also, various benefits that are associated with it. Now, why do you think why RBI has taken this particular step? First is कि मेरे को क्या करना है, पूरी इकोनॉमी में ये सिस्टम जो है फैलाना है, दैट वी वांट टू गो विद अ कैशलेस इकोनॉमी. तो उसको इंक्लूजन को बढ़ाने के लिए, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन को बढ़ाने के लिए RBI has taken this particular step. Similarly, we have, I just talked about financial inclusion. हमारे डिजिटलाइजेशन को बढ़ाने के लिए, हमारे फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम में डिजिटलाइजेशन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, दिस इज अनदर स्टेप व्हाई RBI has taken this particular step. Similarly, this is for those people who do not have an access of internet, who do not have an access of smartphones also. So the RBI says that if you want to make payment, even when you do not have smartphones, even when you do not have proper connectivity issues, proper as in this, goes all offline mode only. So when you do not have connectivity issue, you do not have connectivity, you do not have internet services also, you have connectivity issue in your area. So we have a solution for you, still will be able to make payments. Now security is also another method, okay, another benefits that are associated with it. Now what is important from your examination perspective, a question can be asked on the transaction limits. This is very very important. So यहाँ पे transaction limit कौन सा है? It has recently been raised right from 5,000 to 10,000. So transaction limit कितना है? 5,000 से लेके 10,000 जो है वो transaction limit है. Similarly, it is now mandated that you have to come with the Aadhaar OTP also. This is now mandated for onboarding users in the UPI 123 pay transaction. So Aadhaar जो OTP है, it plays a huge role. Now we'll see some of the cases that are associated here. ठीक है, so money transfer के लिए भी लोग इसको use कर रहे हैं. If I consider some parents, their children are just sitting in another area, they are just studying, so their parents need to transfer money to them. So जिनके पास मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं, स्मार्टफोन्स नहीं है, who do not have internet facilities available with them, still they will be they will be able to make payments through various methods. I talked about IVR, I talked about the rest of the methods also. FASTag refill. So this is an individual जिसका नाम क्या है? सुखी है, और ये क्या है? एक इंटरस्टेट ट्रक ड्राइवर है जो कि सप्लाई करता है कोई ना कोई मटेरियल. अब उसको फास्टैग रिचार्ज करना है, ठीक है. अब फास्टैग रिचार्ज करने के लिए तो everyone knows that we need smartphones, but here the RBI says that you need not to have that also. Even when you do not have that, you can access this facility. So Sukhi does what? Sukhi does recharge his FASTag just by dialing the IVR number and following the authentication steps, as in I'm properly talking about the prompt that it gives to you. Now we are done with the UPI 123 pay. Next we have is UPI Lite. We all know that we have light feature in each and every app. चाहे मैं WhatsApp Lite की बात करूँ, चाहे मैं किसकी बात करूँ, चाहे मैं Facebook Lite की बात करूँ. तो light किसके लिए है? Word light किसके लिए specifically? That if you have internet connectivity issues in your area, so you can have an access of light. But we have rest of the few features also which are associated with it. So one thing I've clearly told you कि जो UPI Lite है, that works on device wallet. अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ पे पेमेंट तो हो सकती है, इट इज पार्शियली ऑफलाइन. आई हैव रिटन अ वर्ड हियर व्हिच इज नोन एज नियर ऑफलाइन. ठीक है, नियर ऑफलाइन. अब नियर ऑफलाइन क्या बोलता है कि अगर आई एम द वन हु इज ट्रांसफरिंग मनी, I can do it in an offline mode. So the debit can be done through offline method, but credit will be credited only when that individual is online. So it is what? It is near offline. It is not completely offline, it is not completely offline, it is near offline, as in for debit it will use, you can go with the offline method, but for credit you need to be online. Now it works on what? It works on the on device wallet. अब on device wallet में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Firstly you have to fill your wallet, ठीक है? When you download this particular app, you have to fill your wallet with a money, ठीक है? कुछ money जो है आपको transfer करनी पड़ेगी. Now in the coming slides we'll see the limit also. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा मनी जो है इसके अंदर स्टोर करके रख सकते हो. नो, यू हैव लिमिट दैट हैज़ बीन टोल्ड स्पेसिफिकली हियर. Now coming on to it, so this contains what? This is a kind of wallet जहाँ पे आपको क्या करके रखना पड़ेगा, जहाँ पे आपको money, कुछ amount of money जो है वो डाल के रखनी पड़ेगी. Then when you want to make payment, you will be able to make the payment offline also. So when I'm talking about the areas which work, which specifically do not have much of the connectivity, they have connectivity issues right there. So 2G हो चाहे कुछ भी हो, उनके ऊपर भी चल पड़ेगा. एंड ऑफलाइन मेथड से अगर पेमेंट करना हो, सो दिस कैन वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ऑल्सो. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ इट वर्क? सो सबसे पहले यू कैन यू हैव टू एक्सेस योर UPI लाइट. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? जस्ट यू हैव टू लॉग इन टू द ऐप. Next, it will provide you the necessary information that is regarding to the device biometric as well as pattern validation you have to give to them. And then it doesn't require a separate authorization as well as UPI to complete the transaction. This is what you have to go with it. So separate pin वगैरह जो है आपको लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now comes on the important point. So now what are the recently announced things by the RBI? So one is UPI wallet limit. So I told you that there is a set limit that has been told by the RBI. You cannot just cross that. पहले कितना था हमारा? पहले हमारा 2000 था. Now it has been increased to 5000. This is what? This is wallet limit. You have to remember that we separate है. ठीक है. Wallet limit separate है, and जो हमारी transaction है, per transaction है, that is a separate thing. ठीक है. पर जो हमारा वॉलेट लिमिट है और जो ट्रांजैक्शन है, दीज आर द सेपरेट पॉइंटर्स वी हैव. इसका लिमिट कितना है? इसका लिमिट कितना है हमारा? 5000 तक. ठीक है. सिमिलरली व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट पर ट्रांजैक्शन लिमिट, सो पहले कितना था? पहले 200 था, फिर 500 हुआ. अब 500 से लेके कितना है? वी इट हैज बीन रीच आउट टू 1000. सो नाउ द पर ट्रांजैक्शन लिमिट इज 1000. ठीक है. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट पर डे लिमिट कितनी हो सकती है? इट कैन बी 4000 ओनली, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो दीज आर द टू कॉन्सेप्ट्स. वॉलेट में जब आप पैसे डालते हो तो आप सिर्फ 5000 तक डाल सकते हो. बट व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट पर ट्रांजैक्शन, देन यू कैन डू टिल you can do up to 1000 only. Now coming on to the 1, 2, 3 transactions, so we can see here कि जो per transaction है, it has been raised right from 5000 थी पहले, अब कितनी हो चुकी है? It has been raised to 10,000. ठीक है. This is what is the case. Now coming on to the beneficiary account lookup. So यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है कि RBI क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा? एक बेनिफिशियरी अकाउंट को इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा for your RTGS as well as your NFT, that is just similar to UPI as well as IMPS also. Now here is a difference between your UPI Lite as well as your UPI 1, 2, 3 also. Now target users की अगर मैं बात करूँ, so UPI Lite में हमने क्या देखा? UPI Lite में स्मार्टफोन की जरूरत है, but when I talk about the connectivity issues, अगर किसी भी एरिया में connectivity issues है, so of course that person can use UPI Lite. But when I talk about UPI 1, 2, 3 Pay, so it says that it entirely works on the feature phones. जिनके पास smartphones नहीं है, they can have an access of UPI 1, 2, 3 Pay. Similarly, when I talk about transaction methods, so यहाँ पे direct payment जो है वो हो जाएगी. ठीक है. यहाँ पे अलग-अलग methods जो है वो associated है. For example, you have IVRs for your you have missed calls, you have app based. Similarly, you have sound based payments also. Now when I talk about transaction limit, so I told you कि जो transaction limit है, per transaction limit है, यहाँ पे 500 थी पहले, now it has been increased to 1000. Similarly, when I talk about 1, 2, 3 Pay, पहले कितनी थी? It was 5000, now it has been raised to 10,000. Now coming on to the wallet. So wallet में पहले you were able to keep 2000 only, now you are able to keep up to 5000. Now specifically talking about UPI 1, 2, 3 Pay, तो हमने यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी हमने इसकी बात नहीं करी थी कि जो हमारे wallets हैं हमें यहाँ पे रखने पड़ेंगे. So it is not a part of your 1, 2, 3 Pay, it is a part of your Lite only. Now technology requirements, so अगर यहाँ पे आपके it requires internet for the initial setup and usage only. Otherwise I told you that it is what? It is near offline. पेमेंट जो है वो डेबिट जब होगी दैट कैन बी थ्रू द ऑफलाइन मेथड, बट इट हैज टू बी क्रेडिटेड थ्रू if that particular individual is online only. Similarly, when I talk about UPI 1 2 3, so it is completely offline. You need not to have an access of internet services. Now coming on to the use cases, so यहाँ पे जो daily payments है, for example कोई छोटा मोटा payments है, you can do it here. When I talk about 1 2 3 payment, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे wider digital financial inclusion है among the feature user phones. Now you can see the limit by yourself. 5,000 से 10,000 का limit है, so it is a greater one. ठीक है, it is at least way more than your digital your UPI Lite. Now we have a concept that is related to UPI Lite X. ठीक है, UPI Lite X. Now it was launched in the year of 2023, recently launched, so it becomes very very important from an examination perspective, and also you have to understand the difference among them. Now it entirely works on what? It entirely works on the near field communication without internet requirement है. आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं होगा तब भी चलेगा, बट इट वर्क्स ऑन द नियर फील्ड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, कि जो डिवाइसेस है ना वो पास पास में होने चाहिए, ऐसा ना हो कि वो दूर हो. That is the reason it is known as what? It is known as near field technology, near field communication technology, कि जो devices हैं वो पास पास में होने चाहिए, even when it doesn't need your internet connectivity, but this is mandated here that your devices should be very near to each other. So it does what? It enables the seamless money transfers between on device wallets, offering a unique and efficient solution for quick payments in various scenarios. This is what is referred to as UPI Lite X. Now you can make payment in any places with a bad connectivity as well as poor networks also. Now we have various areas. For example, आपका north east जो region है, आपका जो J&K का कुछ ऐसी places है, hilly places है जहाँ पे उतना अच्छा connectivity नहीं आता है. So this is a solution which RBI has given to you, कि when you do not have better connectivity, so still you can have an access, you can still go with the cashless transaction, but you have to follow this thing that you are in that particular zone only, your devices are just very near to each other. Now it is as simple as it gets. You need not to have internet facility or on your recipient phones also. So हमने लाइट में क्या देखा था कि एक जो इंडिविजुअल है उसको इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी चाहिए, but this is not the case here. So it says that right from flight to lifts to the basement with UPI Lite X, debit from the sender's Lite account and credit to the receiver Lite account, all is done in an offline method. So complete offline, but including what? Your near field communication, that is your NFC technology. This is the sole thing that is required here. Okay. Next what it says, the transaction flow. ठीक है, so firstly you have to open the UPI app, आपको click करना पड़ेगा, and you have to click on the icon where you can have an access of the transaction. Similarly you have to put the transaction amount. उसके बाद ये जो है you have to tap your mobile device on the devicer's device, on the receiver's device, and then the money will be sent without requiring even UPI pin. So UPI pin is also not required here. Now we'll come on to the key difference between your UPI Lite as well as UPI Lite X. ठीक है, UPI Lite में हमने क्या देखा था? UPI Lite में हमने क्या देखा था कि यहाँ पे near offline जो टेक्नोलॉजी दैट इज देयर, बट UPI Lite X में क्या है? इट इज कम्प्लीटली ऑफलाइन. अब आपका जो रिसीवर है और जो सेंडर है UPI Lite X में, यू नीड नॉट टू हैव अ कनेक्टिविटी, और यू कैन से यू नीड नॉट टू गेट ऑनलाइन, चाहे वो रिसीवर की बात हो चाहे वो सेंडर की बात हो. बट व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट लाइट, योर सेंडर can be offline, but your receiver should be online, then only the money can be credited. So debit is offline, but the credit is online. Now you have a special feature here, which is your NFC technology, that is your near field communication technology, that is a part of your UPI Lite X. So this is the difference between what? This is the difference between your UPI Lite as well as UPI Lite X. Okay. Now we have other new features also, which includes your one, credit line on UPI. Similarly, you have Hello UPI, Bill Pay Connect, and UPI Tap and Pay also. Now when I talk about credit line on UPI, so credit means what? कि आप कहीं ना कहीं से जो है मतलब you have facilities provided to you by the bank, जहाँ से आप credit जो है वो ले सकते हो. Now this is all related to your daily to daily transactions. So this is just similar to your your credit card. जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड में आप जो है लिमिट सेट करके आप पैसा ले सकते हो, दिस इज वेरी क्लोजली सिमिलर टू दैट ओनली, बट यहाँ पे क्या है? इट इज एंटायरली लिंक्ड टू योर यूपीआई सिस्टम. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन योर क्रेडिट कार्ड एज वेल एज योर दिस सिस्टम. सो इट मेक परचेज बाय स्कैनिंग अ क्यूआर with their UPI linked app and choosing their bank, entering the transaction amount and opting for the credit line as a payment option. So this is, I told you that this is just similar to your credit card system only, but you have, it is just connected with the UPI. This is one of the difference here. Now we have Hello UPI. Ab Hello UPI mein, when I talk, when I tell you that you can talk with your UPI also. So it's a kind of AI system which has been developed by the RBI, in which you can talk with the UPI itself and you can tell, what kind of transactions you want to make. And then AI, you can say, it's a kind of AI interface which will listen to it, and then your money will be transferred. So you can see here that the conversation payment mode that understand the spoken language and silence, convert text into numeric values and offer text to speech capabilities. That is what is the case here. Similarly, we have UPI tap and pay, which involves what? यहाँ पे जो है, this involves a small cards with the NFC, your chips that are linked with the user's QR as well as your UPI ID, and the user can obtain these cards from the partner's bank. Similarly, personalize them and attach them to their mobile phones for the convenient tap-based payments. This is what is known as your UPI tap and pay. So these are the many new features which have been introduced. So this is the key difference among these three initiatives that come under your UPI, in which we saw UPI 123 Pay, UPI Lite as well as UPI Lite X. So I'm very sure that the difference among these three terms is just crystal clear to everyone. And now, if you're the one who's preparing for RBI Grade B 2025, so this is a fresh launch batch. So, we have batch 5 that has been launched here. So, of course, if you are a serious aspirant, so you can just enroll yourself in this particular batch. So, all right, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next one. If you have any doubt, you can just pin that in the comment section and I'll reply to it. Thank you so much.